Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. We are here to start the new session of class 6th Science. The first chapter of our curriculum is Cellular Organization of Plants and Animals. This chapter gives us the knowledge about the building up of the plants and animals' bodies. As you can see the title, it shows that cell is the basic or fundamental unit of life. Life is all about the living organisms. In our daily life, we experience the building blocks bricks as the first unit or the basic unit of our buildings. In the same manner, cells are the fundamental units of all living organisms as the definition described here. But just like bricks that serve different functions at different parts of the buildings, cells also differ in sizes, shapes, and functions. This basic diagram of an animal cell gives you an idea about what's life made of. Now have a look at the different shapes of the cells. Here you can see the shape of a bone cell, which is a round, branched structure. It gives strength and form to a body. Whereas the muscle cells gives mobility and elasticity to a body. The elongated muscle cell here shows the relaxation, and the twisted one shows the contraction of the muscles. The sizes of the cells also vary a lot. Most of them are so small that they cannot be seen through naked eye, like bacteria and viruses. But some of them are the ones which are as big as a chicken or an ostrich egg. Cells are mostly measured in micrometers, and they can be seen through a microscope. The sizes and the shapes of the cells depend on the functions they are required to perform. As you can see here, the skin cells, they protect and cover the body. The shape of a nerve cell shows how it conducts messages throughout the body. The spherical shape of RBCs, or the red blood cells, help to carry the maximum amount of oxygen around the body. The term cell was actually first used by a scientist named Robert Hooke in 1665. He observed a thin slice of a cork under a microscope which looked like tiny boxes. If you have a close look at the diagram, you can see that they look quite similar to a honeycomb. That is why they were named as cells. To conclude today's lecture, I would like you to do some brainstorming. For that, you may answer these questions. You can take help from your book too. Till the next lecture, Allah Hafiz.